All right, green bean casserole today. I'm going to show you how to make this. Well, welcome back to our channel, Phil and Jill 30, life after 30 years of marriage. And it's the day before Thanksgiving, so we need to get some things prepped for tomorrow, just to make tomorrow a little bit more relaxed. There's only 3 of us this year for Thanksgiving for dinner, so it's not going to be as big, but it's going to be as delicious, you can bet. And my cameraman is, what are you doing? He's over there messing with his mic. All right, so today what we're going to be prepping is we're going to be doing the green bean casserole, because that can just go back into the fridge and we'll just throw that in the oven in the morning or early afternoon. And then we're going to do a breakfast casserole today. I'm going to prep the cheesy potatoes today. And then I'm also going to show you guys how we like to brine our chicken. Turkey. Of course, we're having turkey for Thanksgiving. So we're going to show you guys how to brine that. So now it's time to get busy. So I've got 4 cans of cut green beans. You can use French if you like. I'm just going to go into my mixing bowl. I've got some cream of chicken soup. Somebody in our family doesn't like mushrooms, Phil. So we're not using cream of mushroom soup. Yeah, no. So we've switched over the years to cream of chicken. I've got a little bit of sour cream in there just to add some of that flavor, and then some half and half. We'll season it up with some salt and pepper, maybe some garlic in there. You know garlic in there?
Sure.
Okay. And then, of course, our French fried onions. All right, so let's just get this going. We're going to start with this. I'm not going to use this whole, well, I guess I'm going to use the whole can. I was going to save some of this for something else later, but that's fine. Nah, I can take some of that out. Here, let's take some of that out. That's too much. We'll use some of this for later. Let's get a real spoon. All right. Because I'm not making 6 cans. I'm only making 4 cans. So when it comes down to it, I used about 2/3 of this big giant can of condensed chicken soup. Can you take that? Thank you. We'll throw a lid on this. Pop it in the fridge. Awesome. All right. So we've got our cream of chicken soup. Now we're going to go in with some sour cream. You're just going to eyeball it. That looks like a good amount. Here, babe. Thank you. Little bit of half and half, like maybe 1/3 of a cup. That looks good. Then we're going to do some salt and pepper. I like the fresh ground pepper in mine. You can use white pepper if you don't want to see it. And then we'll do some salt. There's already some salt in that soup, so I'm not going to go heavy on the salt. What am I missing? Anything else? No? Beans? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. I'm just going to give this a mix. Super simple. This is probably one of the easier Thanksgiving dishes that we like to do in our family. This is controversial. Some families don't. Some families are all in. How about you? Comment below. Get that really well incorporated. Amazing. Now we're just going to fold in some of these French onions. French fried onions. You don't have to. Let's just go all in. And then I have the second bag. We'll sprinkle just a partial bag over the top of this. Get that really well incorporated in there. Oh, looking good. Looking really good. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to give this just a little spray. Don't want anything to stick to my, woo. It's been a while since I've used cooking spray. That came out fast. Now I'll just gently pour this down in there. smooth it out. Cook evenly when you smooth it out. I'll probably cook this on 350 until an internal temp of about 165. Looks like I have a little more sauce in this area over here. That's good.
You said we're going to put that in the refrigerator for overnight, right?
Yep.
So will they get soggy?
They'll crisp up when they bake.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, we'll get it all baked and then I'll leave the lid off and then it'll crisp up.
Nice.
Yeah. I wasn't done talking. Am I still talking? Oh, so my cameraman director had me all confused right there for a second. So this, look, how long did that take? 5 minutes? Was that even 5 minutes? Now it's going to go in the fridge. It's ready to go in the oven tomorrow for Thanksgiving. All right, on to the next.